Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, clear for departure, runway 27 right.
Guys, we are out on another windy Colorado day, and I got my Eflite 600mm Ultrix
no data.
and my Crescendo, and these planes can handle the wind just fine.
0.10
But
32 Fahrenheit.
I better get them in quick because
Motor on.
these winds are not playing today.
Stabilize mode off.
Here we go, guys. The not UMX Ultrix, but the 600mm. Hopefully this will. And I think my buddy Derek might be joining me today. I'm not sure.
11.6 volts, 60.
This Ultrix can handle the wind though pretty damn good. It doesn't really seem to care too much about the wind. Of course, it might help if I get the hell out of the sun, huh? This thing's so much fun to do flat spins. You can do slow ones too. It was a lot of fun. I haven't had this one out in a little while.
ESC 11.4 volts, 70 amps, 97 Fahrenheit.
Hopefully it's showing up on camera. Hopefully my camera angle and my Octomount hat is working, or the proper angle.
ESC 11.4 volts, 64 amps, 99 Fahrenheit.
Woo.
11.5 volts, 46 amps.
That was a whiplash move right there.
ESC 11.5 volts, 40 amps, 99 Fahrenheit.
Get further out here because when I go up and
11.4 volts, 51 amps, 100 Fahrenheit.
do a flat spin, the wind drips it.
4 minutes.
This thing looks killer at night with the lights on it, though. I can tell you that. It really shines at night. But if the winds die down later tonight, I might actually take this thing out and fly it in the dark. We've got to see. We've got some storms rolling back in here,
ESC, no data.
and I'm just so sick of the wind. I don't mind the rain, you know, but this wind is just, it needs to take a hike, get the hell out of here for a while, and give us RC pilots a break so we can enjoy our hobby. And I know it's been happening all over the
10.9 volts,
lower 48.
amps,
A lot of guys have been
104 Fahrenheit.
running into the same constant issue with the winds.
11.3 volts, 40 amps, 104 Fahrenheit.
We'll do a slow flat
Time
spin.
remaining 3 minutes.
Getting all kinds of crazy with this thing.
ESC 11.0 volts, 63 amps, 102 Fahrenheit.
But yeah, almost forgot how much fun this thing is. It's a blast.
ESC 11.4 volts, 10 amps, 100 Fahrenheit. ESC 10.8 volts, 75 11.0 volts, 54 amps.
I'm running the
Fahrenheit.
Gens Ace 800 milliamp hour 3-cell pack on this thing, and it really likes it.
ESC 11.1 volts, 40.
And I think I got these packs off Amazon. You can get a pretty good price on them. I think I bought a 2-pack. I forget how much it was, like maybe 30 bucks for 2 of them, something like that. Not too bad, if I remember correctly. I know it wasn't much, but you get good, decent flight time on this thing.
ESC 11.2 volts, 20 amps, 102 Fahrenheit.
And the wind seemed to calm down for a minute. They'll kick back up again, I'm sure.
ESC 10.8 volts, 71 amps, 100 Fahrenheit. Time remaining 1 minute.
This thing's like a UFO at night. The lights are too cool on it.
ESC 11.0 volts, 36 amps, 102 Fahrenheit. ESC 10.7 volts, 69 amps, 102 Fahrenheit. 30 seconds.
I can't imagine what that would do to a pilot inside something like this, spinning like that. I'm sure you'd black out. It'd be more than your body could take.
10, 9,
Oh, I guess I better land.
7.
Guess I better land.
ESC 11.3 volts.
Let me come back around and do the headwind here.
Fahrenheit. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And there you have it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Ooh, I just missed the dog poop. Ha! Lucky me. Thanks for tuning in. Deuces out.